here today to recognize the completion of this major asset in front of us, 48K. I guess it's above us actually when we get down to it. This is a commitment by the shipyard to the work that we do for the Navy, but beyond that, it's an icon. It's going to be a symbol of this shipyard for many years to come, and it's just a great day and a really truly a historic day for the shipyard.
This is a 5-year project, basically from the get-go, from the planning, and we were within 1 month of meeting that delivery date. It's amazing, and you think about all the things that you all had to overcome. In many cases, I think you are a lot of the unsung heroes of the shipyard. Nothing moves, nothing happens, no ship gets delivered without the good work that you all do. So I want to thank you for what you did. I want to thank you for your dedication. Appreciate all the hard work and all the hard stuff done right.
So, we had the green crane supporting our refuelings of carriers for over 50 years. And as you know, we're the only ones that do that work. So without this crane, without the work that you have all done, we can't do that. We cannot refuel an aircraft carrier. And 74 is not here yet, but it's coming soon. And this crane absolutely had to be done on time to be able to support that program. And you have all done that. I appreciate all the hard work. What you have done is going to, last for generations, and I hope you continue to be proud of that as we are proud of what you've done here today.
So let's cut a ribbon. 3, 2, 1, cut. And Mr. Dennis, let's make a lift.
All right, brother Matt.
We're ready to get started down here, bro. Force up easy.
Force up easy.
Throw feet. Force up.